JSONDecodeError, expecting value, line 1 column 1, char 0. I am getting error expecting value column line 1 column 1, char 0, when trying to decode JSON. The URL I use for the API call works fine in the browser, but gives this error when done through a curl request. The following is the code I use for the curl request. The error happens at return simpleson.loads, response_JSON. Traceback.
Your code produced an empty response body. You'd want to check for that or catch the exception raised. It is possible the server responded with a 204 no content response, or a non-200 range status code was returned, 404 not found, etc. Check for this. Note: there is no need to use simple JSON library. The same library is included with Python as the JSON module. This note referred to the question as it was originally formulated. There is no need to decode a response from UTF-8 to Unicode. The simple JSON/JSON.loads method can handle UTF-8 encoded data natively. PyCurl has a very archaic API. Unless you have a specific requirement for using it, there are better choices. Either requests or HTTPX offer much friendlier APIs, including JSON support. Example using the requests package. If you can, replace your call with. Of course, this won't protect you from a URL that doesn't comply with HTTP standards. When using arbitrary URLs where this is a possibility, check if the server intended to give you JSON by checking the content type header, and for good measure catch the exception.
Be sure to remember to invoke JSON.loads on the contents of the file, as opposed to the file path of that JSON. I think a lot of people are guilty of doing this every once in a while, myself included.
Check the response data body, whether actual data is present and a data dump appears to be well formatted. In most cases your JSON.loads, JSONDecodeError column expecting value column line 1 column 1, char 0, error is due to non-JSON conforming quoting. XML, HTML output, that is, a string starting with, or incompatible character encoding. Ultimately the error tells you that at the very first position the string already doesn't conform to JSON. As such, if parsing fails despite having a data body that looks JSON-like at first glance, try replacing the quotes of the data body. Note: quotes within the data must be properly escaped.
With the requests lib, JSONDecodeError can happen when you have an HTTP error code like 404 and try to parse the response as JSON. You must first check for 200, OK, or let it raise on error to avoid this case. I wish it failed with a less cryptic error message. Note, as Martijn Peters stated in the comments, servers can respond with JSON in case of errors. It depends on the implementation, so checking the content type header is more reliable.
Check encoding format of your file and use corresponding encoding format while reading file. It will solve your problem.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.